In this video, we will go over the steps for how to change out DeltaMAXX filters in a CMAXX Dust and Fume Collector. First, make sure the CMAXX is powered down. Then, close the slide gate to the discharge device. This is also a good time to empty your drum, in this case an explosion-rated Rhino drum. Start by removing the grounding wire and the drum lid clamp. Then, loosen the collar by using the tool-free bolt T-handles. Once it is loose enough, you can lift the lid and spin it until it locks in place. Now the drum is free to remove and empty. Once the emptied drum is returned, lift and rotate lid to drop it back down into place. Tighten the collar back up by using the T-handles. Make sure to put the drum clamp back on and the grounding wire clamp. Make sure to hit the reset button if you have a dust level sensor and the alarm light is on. Now that the drum has been cleaned out, it is time to replace the filters. Make sure to check the drain on the header tank to ensure the air to the filters is dry. To open the door, press in the lock button on the handle and turn. Once the door is open, use the cam levers to drop the lift rails in order to remove the filter. In order to lower the lift rails, pull out on the cam lever and slide it up into its locked position. Once in the locked position, push down to lower the lift rails. When both lift rails are in the down position, the filter is free to slide out. Use the recessed handle in the filter pan to safely and easily pull the filter out. If the next filter is too far to retrieve with your hand, use the supplied filter removal tool to retrieve the filter. You can use the filter removal tool to push filters back into place by placing the hook in the recessed handle of the filter pan. Never push on the paper media of the filter. Make sure to check you have the correct part number and filter as displayed on the box and filter pan. When disposing of the old filters, use the filter box to help you with the removal. Place the new filter on both lift rails and push it back using the pan until it is seated as far back as it can go. If you do not lift the lift rails up completely, the door will not close. If you don't push the filter back all of the way, the door also will not close. Make sure the filter is seated all the way back. Then lift the lift rails by pulling up on the cam bars. You will see the filter fully compress against the tube sheet when both lift rails are lifted. Change out the differential pressure gauge filter if it is ready to be changed. Do this by unthreading the filter from the fitting. To replace, thread the new differential pressure gauge filter into the threads. Once all filters have been changed, close the door by pushing on the door to compress the door seal and pull up on the handle until the lock engages. You can now open the slide gate to the discharge device. Once everything is back in place, you can restart your CMAXX Dust and Fume Collector. If you have any issues, questions, or concerns, please reach out to your Imperial Systems sales representative or call us at 800-918-3013.